in frames. These are systems which are particularly suitable for galleries and expositions where the frames have to be frequently replaced. The systems are produced by the Dutch manufacturer Artitec. This is the click rail system. The following elements are necessary to install the click rail system: the white opaque aluminium rail, which can be painted the same color of the wall, or alternatively the aluminium rail in its natural color. Both rails are available in 2 or 3 meter lengths. The connectors are needed to fix the rail to the wall. They have to be applied with about 40 cm distance between them. They also keep the 2 rails joined to each other. The connectors are available in 2 versions, for regular walls and for irregular walls. The screws with the respective plastic row plug are needed to fix the connectors to the wall, like this. The caps have to be applied on the extremities of the rail and are available in either white or light grey, depending on the color of the rail. The angular connectors are needed in case you want to join the 2 perpendicular rails one to another, like this one. This instead is the Click Rail Pro system. The difference between the Click Rail and the Click Rail Pro systems are: first, the Click Rail is 25 mm wide, while the Click Rail Pro is 37 mm. Second, the Click Rail can hold a maximum weight of 20 kg for every meter, while the Click Rail Pro can hold a maximum weight of 50 kg. Third, the Click Rail Pro, unlike the Click Rail, can be installed in 2 different ways. There's the advantage of hiding the small metal block with the Type A installment, whilst aligning the rail to the ceiling is easier with the Type B installment. To install the Click Rail Pro system, the following elements are necessary: the white opaque aluminium rail, which can be painted the same color of the wall. The rail is available in 2 or 3 meter lengths. The connectors have to be applied to the wall with 40 cm distance between each other and are needed to fix the rail. They are also needed to join the rails one to another. The screws with the respective plastic row plug are needed to fix the connectors to the wall, like this. The caps have to be applied to the extremity of the rail. The angular connectors are needed in case the perpendicular rails have to be joined one to another, like this one. This is the top rail system, which has to be installed on the ceiling. You just need the screws with their respective row plugs to install the top rail system. Vertical wires have to be applied to any type of rail. These wires are where the hooks which keep the frames hanging are fixed. 3 types of wires are available. Perlon transparent wire. It has a 2 mm diameter and holds a maximum of 20 kg. White color hard wire in steel. Also this has a 2 mm diameter and holds a maximum of 20 kg. Wire made up of metallic filament wires all intertwined. It has a 1,8 diameter and holds a maximum of 15 kg. All 3 wires are provided with a small block called a twister. The block can be placed at any point of the rail. After its insertion, it has to be rotated to keep it fixed to the rail. Apart from the wires with a twister block, there's a Perlon wire with an hexagonal block which can be used with all the wires. This wire unlike the wires with the twister block, has to be placed at the extremity of the rail. It's a 2 mm thick and can hold a maximum weight of 15 kg. Finally, there's a purlin wire with the loop, which can be hung to a simple nail. The purlin wires is also available in 100-meter coils. You need a special block to fix it to the rail, and it has to be fixed at the extremity of the wire. You just need to tighten the screws to fix the wire to the block. The block then has to be placed inside the rail. This block is suitable for all the rails. A tool called Twister Remote is available, which facilitates the insertion of the purlin wires which have the twister block. It's made up of a cylindrical steel rod of 1 meter with a 6 mm diameter. At one extremity it has a round block which has an opening. The purlin wire has to be inserted in the opening like this. Then the instrument is raised towards the rail and rotated half a turn so that the twister block remains blocked in the rail. These are hooks which are attached to the vertical wires. There are various types of hooks. JS32 hook. It's a hook suitable for heavy frames up to 7 kilos. It's most suitable for the purlin wire, but can also be applied to other wires. It's regulated by the screw on the back. JS33 hook. It's the smallest hook and therefore the least obvious. It's particularly suitable for the purlin wire, but can also be applied to other wires. JS39 hook. It's in the shape of a cone, which, like the previous hooks, is more suitable for purlin wires. Hook up to 5 kilograms. JS40. It's a hook which is automatically blocked by the weight of the frame up to 15 kilos. It's suitable for both purlin wires as for steel wires. JS401 hook. It's like the JS40 with an extra closing mechanism to avoid the frames detaching itself.